friends, my name is Best. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell for more videos and updates. So today, meron ulit tayong video about unboxing. Itong package na to, binili ko siya mula sa Shopee shop ni windarshopph. Trinay ko na din bumili sa kanya, guys. Tapos, yung items niya, mura, ganon. Pero yung shipping, medyo mahal siya. Pero napakabilis ng shipping niya, guys. It's just like 2 days, about 2 days. So, ito siya, guys. So, ito, guys. Una, itong pink na foam beads. Meron pa siyang stickers na cookie. Ang laki niya, guys. Di ko in-expect na ganito pala kalaki yan. Akala ko mga ganyan lang siyang kalaki. Ang cute. Okay, next. Meron siyang cookie na sticker. Tapos, itong white na to, meron siyang vanna sticker. So, it also like 21. So we have this pink butterfly slime, and we have this glitters. Kala ko, guys, malalaki siya, pero maliliit lang pala, pero okay lang pa rin. Ang cute niya. Okay, so ito naman, meron din siyang, madami siya, guys, 48 pieces yata. Pwede daw pala ito sa nails. Next, we have this glitters pa rin siya, guys. Stars and hearts. So, guys, na glitters. Cute nila. Yan. Nails yung mga glitters, pero it is also okay to use for the slimes. Okay, our next one is this eraser na pwede din pang topping. So, ito din, may bumili din ako ng random na coin purse. So, I got Tata from BT21. Okay. So, our next is this mermaid eraser na pwede din pang topping or slime charm. I don't know if you can see them, guys, pero okay, our next one is ito siya, guys. Bumili na ulit ako ng clay kasi pauubos na din yung clay. Bumili ako nito, guys, ng clay na 2 packs, 24 pieces because I really need this for butter slime. Then, our last one is freebies. Meron siya mga ganito na jelly cubes. Okay, don't know if you can see, pero meron siyang nakalagay na thank you. And meron pa, guys, ito, it is like black na glitter. And I don't know what is this, guys, but it's like a little mixing tools. Little mixing tools. So, yan, bababa ko lang lahat na nabili ko. So, ibababa ko lang siya para i-try naman natin itong slime niya, guys. So, let's play, guys, yung butterfly slime niya. May pagka-clear jelly slime siya, guys. So, meron pa siyang butterfly na charm. Pero nasa ilalim lang. So cute, guys. It's a little bit of a jelly. Tapos ang cute ng star na glitters niya, guys. So this is only 25 pesos nga pala. Ito siya. Yung mga glitters, it's just so cute. It's a little bit of a rainbow glitter. Glitters, I mean. So cool. It's cute, guys. Super duper 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 cute. Okay, so that's it for this slime. So that's it for today, best friends. So bili na nga din pala kayo kay windarshopph. Hope you like this video. Bye. Love you all. God bless. Mwah. Shout out to Stephanie Keith TV Vlogs, Amira Bellarmino, Princess Michelle T. San Jose, Lecar Oyamat Capistrano, Ashley Vlogs, Rohan Amayranto, Juliana TV Vlogs, Danil Makalalad, Wina Rose Otico, Cupcake Squad, Eunice and Jillian Vlog Slime, Ayesha Ish Vlog, and shout out na rin kay Jonabel Slimes. Please subscribe to their YouTube channel.